Colleagues, due to the interest of time, we'll go ahead and rise back and start with the introduction of the resolutions before us. And if we need to take another recess for the other resolutions to be printed, we'll do that. Okay? We'll rise back to our General Assembly Before we went on recess, we just finished with our final presentation for the General Assembly, which is the Ministry of Line and Phoenix Islands Development presentation by the Secretary, Mr. Natario Kias, from the Ministry of from the Ministry of Line and Phoenix Islands Development. Now we are on the next item of our agenda, which is the introduction of resolutions. And I'd like to recognize the Honorable Vice President to proceed with the introduction of the resolutions before us. Mr. Vice President.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. President. And I'll go now through the resolutions, but be patient with me if I pronounce your names not correctly, please. The first resolution, number 43-GA, encouraging Pacific Islands governments to promote and support inter-island free trade through the utilization of domestic and international transportation networks to enhance economy, cooperation, regional connectivity, and the well-being of the peoples of the Blue Ocean. And this resolution is sponsored by Marvin T. Yamaji, sorry for the pronunciation. Yamaji. Dionisio, Simon, Edgar W. Kenneth, Alfredson, Latore, Benjamin H. Ladua, Ludwig, and the last sponsor, Sheldon G. Ned. Our second resolution, encourage the governments of the APIL member jurisdictions to redouble their efforts to research, complete, and enhance model invasive species bills to be enhanced into law by each member legislature and parliament. Sponsors, the same people, Martin Yamaji, and Dionisio Simon, Edgar W. Kenneth, and Alfredson Lador, Benjamin H. Ludwig, and Sarah G. Ned. APIL resolution number 43-GA, supporting efforts to expand United States Merchant Marine credential eligibility for the aspiring seamen of the Free Associated States of Micronesia, and respectfully requesting the national governments of the federal state of Micronesia, the Republic of the Marshall Islands, the Republic of Palau, to consider engaging with the U.S. Congress and appropriate federal agencies regarding potential legislative and regulatory solutions in addressing MMC's eligibility for citizens of the Free Associated State. The sponsors, the same people as well, are directors of the PIL. So if you don't mind, I don't mention their names. One day, okay? One day. Resolution number 4, number 43-GA, encouraging the member jurisdictions of the APO to join with concerned fishing industry, watchdog organizations, and dedicated marine ecology conservation groups in the implementation and enforcement of industry-led sanctions and legally enacted rules and regulations to limit and then eliminate the navigational and environmental hazards that lost, abandoned, and discarded reuse nets are inflicting on our shores, our seas, and our lagoons. Sponsors, they are the same directors as well, Pompey as well. Resolution number 43 GA, number 5. Committing ourselves to the APO Pacific Crusade to reduce, reuse, and recycle our island's wastes. Sponsors, Pompey, the same directors from Pompey. Resolution number 43 GA. Urgently changing each of our island governments to make the issue of coral bleaching among the highest environmental concerns of the region, and covering our governments to undertake every action possible to stop or at least curtail the coral bleaching pandemics that are sweeping across our Pacific Island reefs. Sponsors, same from there as well. Resolution number 43 GA. Sincerely expressing the profound gratitude and highest regional commendation of the Association of Pacific Island Legislatures, APO, to the local, regional, federal, and international partners who provided current expertise and unwavering life-saving and recovering assistance to the Commonwealth of the Northern Marianas Islands during the catastrophe aftermath of Super Typhoon Ninlaku. Sponsors, our President, Edmund Villa Gomez, Sinamay, and Tenita Yan. Okay, from Sinamay. Thank you. Resolution number 43 GA. Extending the deepest sympathies and sincerest condolences by the members of the Association of the Pacific Island Legislatures to the wife and family of the late Honorable Diego Tenido Benavente for theirs and for our tragic loss of this truly remarkable statesman who will long be remembered for his fearless, committed, and caring leadership, and for his final unwavering challenge for all of us in the Association of Pacific Island Legislatures to live up to the highest ideals of democratic government he has unselfishly shared with those in our generation who has been so privileged to have several served beside him. Same sponsors, our respected President and his delegation. April Resolution number 43-GA. Commending the Micronesian Voyaging Society for its dedication to preserving traditional navigation, strengthening cultural ties among Pacific peoples, and advancing the spirit of the theme of the 43 General Assembly of the Association of Pacific Island Legislature, reaching distance, strengthening links. Sponsors from Palau. This one, directors from Palau, Kerai, Mariua, Warren S. Wimetaro, and El Petro, Stephanie Boy May, if I am correct. All right, thank you. Resolution number 43-GA, recognizing the growing threat of drought in the Pacific region and urging for enhanced regional cooperation to strengthen water security and drought resilience. Our resolution sponsors, also from directors from Palau. Resolution 43-GA, a resolution encouraging enhanced regional economic engagement of Guam and the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands and inviting consideration of appropriate avenues for their participation in the Forum Economy Ministers meeting. Sponsors David Anitok, Jack Agin, Wilbur Aine. Thank you. Aine. Marshall Island. Thank you, Marshall. Resolution number 43-GA, a resolution to promote awareness of the APIL Task Force on Nuclear Fallout Impact and regional advocacy among regional and international partners. The same from the Marshall Islands. Those are the sponsors. Resolution number 43-GA, calling upon APO member jurisdictions to strengthen cooperation, technical assistance, and practical measures to address rising fuel costs, improve fuel security, and supporting long-term energy resilience for the people of the APIL Pacific. Resolutions sponsors Director Indata, Yurame, and Piumaga, Takane from Kiribati. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
More resolutions have been handed out, so here's number 14.
Oh, sorry.
Let's take a quick recess. For now, number 14, about you guys, I have 14, 15, and 17.
16, 17 here.
So, we make sure that the Vice President gets that comment.
Number 18.